Hey everybody, it's Peter. I'm here with the deluxe Sharktank waiver machine. I've talked to a lot of you about the incredible quality that goes into this machine, and so today we're going to do an unboxing video and go through everything that comes in the package so you know exactly what you get, and we're going to also show you how to put it together. When you receive your shipment, you're going to have 3 boxes that make up all the parts and pieces for your deluxe machine. The first, you're going to want to unbox everything and spread it out so that you have the pieces you need. I'm going to show you here what we have. You're going to have your battery box, which is the base unit that has the wheels at the back and the hatch that opens up. You have the vertical support stand that actually goes up to the motor unit where the sign attaches, and that's what creates movement with your machine. Over here on the table you have your cable that you can use to lock the machine down to make sure that it's secure. You have an extension cord to plug it in at night. You have the actual lock to use with the cable. You're going to get all the nuts and bolts and hardware that you need to assemble it, as well as wrenches that are used in the assembly process. A couple of vertical upright brackets that you can use, that you will have to use in the assembly of the motor system. You have 2 different instruction manuals, one for your charger and one for the assembly process. You have the charger itself, a marine deep cycle battery, which is what gives this such a long battery life, as well as the battery hold down. And if you chose the optional LEDs, you will have the LED set showing up in the original boxes and not in the separate shipment. We're going to break down and show you how exactly to set this machine up, starting with the battery box. Okay, so we've got everything gathered to put our electronics into our battery box. So we just open the lid here, and I've gathered everything. We've got the battery, we have the charger itself, we've got the battery hold down and the bolts to clamp that in. So we're going to drop the battery in place, bolt it down, plug the charger into the external charging port, connect all the wires, and we'll be set to go. All right, now we're going to go through the assembly of the actual structure itself. So you're going to want to gather your base unit, your motor unit, and your support stand all at the same time. The steps are, first you're going to want to run the wire that comes through your motor unit through the support stand. Then you're going to want to lift that whole unit up and plug that wire into the wire heading in towards your battery. Then you're going to set your entire motor unit into the square base that's on the support stand. I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, the next step is you're going to want to take your support cross members, and those are actually going to place in the high and then also in the low position on your vertical bar that goes up to your motor assembly. Make sure to watch the instruction manual very closely so you align those in the correct orientation and have the bolt holes all line up as you set them in there. Alright, the last thing to do after you've installed the battery is just flip the switch and turn it on. So check out our other videos to see installing the LED lights as well as installing the graphics and cutouts that can go on these machines. Thanks for checking out our video.